Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Laura, again. I'm drinking my celery juice, as you should as well. Today I'm going to address some of the questions I have been getting lately about what do I eat and how do I stay so slim. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. To start out, I want to tell you guys that during quarantine I decided to start eating healthier snacks, mainly because I was home all day, so it meant that I was going to be eating more than if I was at work. I decided to try out this dressing. It's called OG Whip. It is a garlic dressing. I am totally obsessed with it because it tastes good and there's really no downside on eating it. It is really healthy. It is vegan, non-GMO, natural, everything, and you can pretty much use it on everything. I put it on my fish, on my wraps, on my sandwiches, on my salads, on my chips, and you can't really go wrong with it. The main way that I like to eat it is with Tostito chips. When I'm watching movies, I would just put a handful in a plate. As you guys can see, it is a creamy texture. You can kind of compare it to cheese or whatever you normally eat with your chips, but in contrast to eat cheese or all those other onion dressings that people use, this is healthy. There's really nothing wrong with it and it's really fresh. Dip my chips and eat it. So good. I'm so obsessed with this. Love it. I've also been eating a lot of wraps because they keep me full and they're healthy. So I put the OG Whip on the tortilla chip. That's a healthy snack that anyone could enjoy. If you are vegan, you can always use vegan cheese and take out the turkey, but it tastes really good. And the reason that it tastes so good is because of the dressing on the tortilla. The most important thing to keep in mind when you are trying to get abs is that although you want to keep a really healthy diet with low calories, you still consume protein. A lot of people think that if they starve themselves or they just drink juice all day, that they are going to get abs, and that's not really how it works. You do have to put in protein into your body to get abs. This is what my lunch looks like. What I'll do is, because I still want my food to taste good even though it's on the light side, I'll add my OG cream to it. Oh, this meal looks a little bit light for most people, believe it or not. It keeps me full. The fish has protein and it tastes really good with the dressing. Food is the key to happiness. Just because you want to get fit doesn't mean you have to completely constrain yourself of the things you love. What you should do is switch it over to alternate options that are healthy, such as the whipped cream, which tastes really good and doesn't have any bad ingredients in it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely try the OG Whip. You would thank me later. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys have any questions about how to cook with your OG Whip or more recipes that I have, write them in the comments. Bye guys. Till next time.